So we are going to start with exercise 1B. The first question is, without using tables, find the value of. Okay. So he is log to the base 40, 1000 upon log to the base 40 is 100. Right. So I will start with the answer. Now using law 2, we can write this as log to the base 40, 1000 minus log of 100 to the base 40. Now we know that 1000 can be written as 10 cube and 100 can be written as 10 square. So I'll write this as log to the base 40, 10 cube minus log to the base 40, 10 square. Okay. Now using law 3, this can be written as 3 log 10 to the base 40 minus 2 log 10 to the base 40. Now this again using law 2, we can write this as 3 log 10 to the base 40 upon 2 log 10 to the base 40. You can cancel this out and we have 3 upon 2. Hence 3 upon 2 is your answer to this question. So we'll start with the B sum, that is log of 32 to the base A upon log of 4 to the base A. Now using law 2 again, we can write this as log of 32 to the base A minus log of 4 to the base A. Now we know that log of 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5 and log of 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. So log to the base A 2 to the power 5 minus log to the base A 2 to the power 2. Now using law 3, this can be written as 5 log 2 to the base A minus 2 log 2 to the base A. Now using again law 2, we can write this as 5 log 2 to the base A upon 2 log 2 to the base A. This cancels out. We are remaining with 5 upon 2. Hence 5 upon 2 is your answer to this question. C log of 8 to the base 2. Now we know that log of 8 can be written as 2 cube. So log to the base 2, 2 to the power 3. Now using law 3, we can write this as 3 log 2 to the base 2. Okay. And we know that log 2 to the base 2 will yield us 1. So this will become 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. And hence 3 is your answer to the question D. 5 to the power log of 2 to the base 5 plus log of 3 to the base 5. Now in this question we have used a simple exponent property, that is a to the power m plus n, and we know that a to the power m plus n can be written as a to the power mn, and a to the power mn can be written as a to the power m into a to the power n, and this is the thing we are going to use in this question. So basically this will be written as 5 to the power log of 2 to the base 5 times 5 to the power log of 3 to the base 5. Okay. Now 5 to the power log 2 to the base 5 will give me 2, and 5 to the power log of 3 to the base 5 will give me 3. This is the theorem 1, and hence 2 times 3 is 6. Hence 6 is your answer to the question D. Question E. Okay. That is 25 to the power log of 7 to the base 5. Okay. Now in this question 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2 to the power log of 7 to the base 5. Now I'll write it here only. This can be written as 5 to the power 2 log 7 to the base 5. Again this can be written as 5 to the power log of 7 square to the base 5. Now we know that 5 to the power log of 7 square to the base 5 will give us 7 square, which will yield us 49. Hence 49 is your answer to question E. F 2 to the power 1 by 3 log of 27 to the base 2. Okay, this is now this can be written as 2 to the power 1 upon 3 log of 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3 to the base 2. Now this can be written as 2 to the power log of 3 cube to the base 2 to the power 1 upon 3. Now this 3 and this 3 cancels out. So we are remaining with 2 to the power log of 3 to the base 2. Now this, using theorem 1, we get the answer as 3. Hence 3 is your answer to the question F. G. log to the base 2 times log to the base 2 of 4. Okay. Now first of all what I'll do is I'll consider the bracket portion, that is log to the base 2 4 is equal to x. Now this can be written as in index form as 2 to the power x is equal to 4, and this can be written as 2 to the power x is equal to 2 square. Now this will give me the value x is equal to 2. So what I'll do is I'll use the value of x and insert in here because this is x. So what I'm going to have is log to the base 2, the value of x is equal to 2. We know that log of 2 to the base 2 is equal to 1. Hence 1 is your answer to the question G. H b square to the power phi log of x to the base b. Okay. Now this I can write as b to the power 10. I have multiplied this power log of x to the base b. Okay. Now I can write this as b to the power log of x to the power 10 to the base b. Now b to the power log of x to the base b, this is nothing but the theorem 1, and we have the answer as x to the power 10. Hence x to the power 10 is answer to your H question. I, that is 7 cube to the power negative 2 log of log to the base 7 of 8. Now again I'll multiply this power, so 7 to the power negative 6 log of 8 to the base 7. Now this will give me 7 to the power log of 8 to the power negative 6 to the base 7, and using theorem 1 we have 8 to the power negative 6, and this can be written as 1 upon 8 to the power 6. Hence 1 upon 8 to the power 6 is your answer